Welcome to Michigan's Nelis Village, the Dutch village, located over here in Holland, Michigan. And it is a Dutch village theme park that basically everywhere, a lot of kids of all ages, adults too, can enjoy, especially on a nice day like today. So let's go in here and see what they have. As you can see, they have a really neat looking windmill. I think it's actually authentic. And they have some canals replicating what you would find in the Netherlands. And then you have Dutch style buildings and things over here. And a nice little river walk through here. And then they have some cafes and gift shops. A lot of the workers are dressed in traditional outfits. And it is a wonderful time of year to bring the kiddos, do some family adventures and things. So right, class. Go ahead and have a seat. Sit down. Get out your pens and paper. Get out your homework from last night. I'm going to come around and grade it. And make sure you turn your textbooks to page 56. Today we're going to learn about the Dutch language. And so, Dutch language right up here. Here, I've got some keywords already ready to go for you guys to learn. Go ahead and take notes. And I'll come around, grade your homework. And hopefully everybody's having a very Sigma day. It is a very nice day outside. We don't want to lose aura points in the classroom today. So let's make sure that we are on our best behavior here. And make sure that you guys are and acting very skibbity as well. Psych, I'm in a theme park, but it's nice to teach anyway. All right, guys, so what did you think of Nelis Dutch Village? Obviously, if you have a family, kids, nieces, nephews, grandkids, come on down to Nelis Dutch Village, located in Holland, Michigan. The price for adults and children over the age of 3 is $17 if you buy it online. So I would suggest going online. Obviously, the more people coming in, the more money you're going to save. And otherwise, I believe it's $19 if you pay at the gate. So $19 or $17. It adds up though if you have a big family. So check them out online, pay on there, get that $2 discount. Obviously, the weather's pretty. I can't control the weather, but hopefully it'll be nice today that you guys come over here. Now, there is some food on site. There's gift shops. Obviously, a ton of rides for the kiddos. And also play sets. And also, like, motorized tractors. I filmed those earlier, as well as there's, like, these little riding carts that you can move back and forth. And then, yeah, there's a lot of the souvenirs and ice cream parlors and all that stuff's over that way. So if you're in Western Michigan already, I know Michigan's Adventure is up the road in Muskegon. And then also, too, along US 31, I'll take you all the way up to Traverse City and that area going north. So if you're already in the area, on your way to Traverse City or on your way points north, anyway, I recommend stopping here at least for a few hours. Let the kids take a break out of the car and run around. It's affordable. And it's totally worth it. The kids are having such a great time.